The next question is, how many grams of lead, atomic weight is given 208, would be used up for the battery to be 100 ampere hours? If in a lead storage battery, the anodic reaction which is also given, that lead reacts with bisulfate ion to give lead sulfate plus H plus 2 electrons. So we need to find, to produce the power of 100 ampere hours, what weight of lead is to be used up, and the anodic equation is also given to work out that. From this equation given, what is that we can understand is that for every 2 electrons to be produced at the anode, 1 atom of lead is used. So for 2 Faradays of electricity to be generated, that is 2 into 96,500 coulombs is to be generated, 1 gram atomic weight of lead, that is 208 grams of lead is to be used. So this is what is to be understood from the equation given. What? 2 Faradays of electricity, that is 2 into 96,500 coulombs of electricity. 1 Faraday is 96,500 coulombs. So this much amount of charge is produced by 1 gram atom of lead. That is 1 gram atom of lead, atomic weight of lead, that is 208 grams. So to get 2 into 96,500 coulombs of charge, we require 208 grams of lead. But what is asked? We want 100 ampere hours. What do you mean by this? 100 ampere hours. 100 amperes per 1 hour time. That is, the current strength C is equal to 100 amperes and time T is equal to, which is to be expressed in seconds, 60 minutes into 60 seconds. So this is the time in seconds what we want. That is 2 into 96,500 coulombs, for which purpose we need 208 grams of lead. But we want 100 ampere powers, 100 amperes into time, 60 into 60. For this, how many grams of lead is required is the question. That is 100 into 60 into 60 into 208 by how much? 2 into 96,500. So this is the weight of lead what we need. Now depending upon the answers, we need to choose. So if you go for the nearest number of this, the first option A given is 100 into 60 into 60 into 2 by 965 into 208 in the denominator. But what we got here, if you see 208 in the numerator and other numbers are also different. So therefore A is wrong answer. Then what about B? We are given 100 into 6 into 6 by 965 instead of 96,500 into 208. And what we got, 100 into, instead of 6 and 6 which is given in the B option, we have 60. And in the denominator if you observe, we have 96,500. Let us remove this. So what is left over here? 100 into 6 into 6 by 2 into 965 into 208. That is what is exactly given in the B option. 100 into 6 into 6 into 208 by 965 into 2. So therefore B is the right answer. So this is the question with one option right. So the others must be wrong. For which purpose? Let us check. 2 into 965 in the numerator is given. And this is 100 into 60 into 60. Numerator part is right. Into 208 is also right. But it is just given 965 into 2 is supposed to be there. Therefore, this is wrong option.